Hey there, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can install XAMPP in your PC. Very simple, let me show you. At first you have to go to the browser and then you have to download this. So let's go to the browser and search for the XAMPP. Here we have Apache friends.org. We have to go there, and here you can see we have different operating system. I'm using Windows, so I will go with this one. Just go with the latest version. Okay, click here download, and then it will start downloading. I already downloaded this, so now I'm going to show you the installation process. Here we go. In the downloads we have XAMPP. Okay, so double click on the file, select yes. Welcome to XAMPP. So I'm going to so here you can see we have warning here, right? So we're going to ignore this because this is not a big issue, and actually this is not a problem. You just have to ignore this warning. Okay, so click here. Okay, go for the next and select everything. And by default all are selected here, you can see. Now we'll go for the next, and now you can change the directory also by clicking here, but I'll actually go with the C drive. You may go with D drive or any other drive you have in your PC. What you have to do, you just have to actually give backslash and XAMPP. Okay, and then click here next, 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 and here you can see it start installing. Here you can see we have XAMPP control panel version 3.3.0. So we have successfully installed it. Now let's say you want to create database, so you can actually start MySQL server. Okay, click here start, then the server will start here, and here you can see Apache ports are running. Ports is running. Here you can see Apache, right, and it's turning to green, so it's running. Now let's go for the MySQL. We're going to start it, and here you can see started. So now let's say if you don't want to use stop the server, you can actually click here stop, then stop. That's it. I have shown you all the things. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.